So hello everybody. Recently I changed my friend Samsung Mini phone screen. So he let me have all the shit, and so I just wanted to show you how it look like inside. Uh, it, then I got it home. Uh, it was all packed up one. It looked like one solid screen like this. Not this, but similar. But I disassembled it and just look what shit I found. So, first of all, the screen itself. I don't know, maybe you can see, but it's cracked totally. So yeah, screen is fucked up. But below I found this strange papers, which reflects light, and in some angles it blocks the view, in some you can see everything really good, like you can see the Vodafone, and now it's a little black, and now also white. So yeah. And also it reflects the light really great. And next paper is this one. It also reflects. It's similar, pretty similar, but it reflects even more, and also does that double effect. That I can see it's now one finger, and now it's two. So yeah, it's strange shit. So yeah, also this metal mirror, I don't know why they put in a screen, but yeah, it reflects really good, as you can see. So yeah, that's what I found in kind of new phone screen. If you like this video, subscribe me, comment below, and maybe I will do some more videos. So yeah, bye.